Hey beautiful people! Welcome back to Learn with Mnet. If you've been stressing over how to access advanced AI tools like Google Imagen, Vidu AI, and VO3, stop right there. Today, I'll show you the easiest and safest ways to try these tools for free, so you can create high-quality images, videos, voices, and even music without hassle. Let's dive in. First up is Google AI Studio. Instead of struggling with complicated processes, you can access it directly with your Google account. Just open your browser and search Google AI Studio. Sign in with your Google account, and once inside, click on Generate Media. Here, you'll find amazing tools. Imagen for image generation. Native speech for realistic AI voiceovers. I already made a full tutorial on this. Check the pinned comment. Lyria for music generation. And of course, Veo, Google's powerful video generator. For example, with Imagen, you can set aspect ratio, choose the number of results, and generate sharp, beautiful images. If your prompt ever gets flagged, simply ask ChatGPT to refine it so it aligns with Imagen's content policy. This way you'll always get clean, high-quality outputs. Next is Vidu AI. Currently, it's available in select regions like the US and UK. If it's not available in your country yet, you can always check back later as they expand access. Vidu gives you 40 free credits on sign-up and 20 credits daily when you log in. Features include reference to video, text to video, image to video, start and end frames for smooth transitions. Let's try an example. I'll upload an image, type in my prompt, and hit create. Look at that. The video came out really well. So, log in daily to collect more credits, and even invite friends for extra bonuses. Another gem is Supawork AI. To get started, click sign up, then register. You can even use a temporary email to verify your account if you don't want to use your personal email. Once inside, claim your free credits. For example, let's test the image to video feature. Upload an image, add your prompt, and hit create. It costs about 50 credits per video, and since it's free, processing may take a little longer, but the results are surprisingly good. Finally, let's talk about VO3. If you'd like to try it with a 1-month free trial, here's how. 1. Open your browser and search for Google AI Pro. 2. Select the first option and scroll down to where it says Get Started, under Google AI Pro. 3. Click Get Google AI Pro, agree to the terms, and sign up. 4. You'll be asked to add your payment details. Don't worry, you won't be charged during the free trial. With this, you'll have access to Gemini Pro, VO3, and other premium tools for 1 full month. Imagine what you can create: viral videos, podcast-style clips, cinematic animations. The possibilities are endless. And that's it, my friends. You now know how to access some of the best free AI tools out there: Google AI Studio, Vidu AI, Supawork, and VO3. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, please like this video to support the channel, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss my next breakdown, where I'll show you step by step how to use these tools to create full AI-generated short films. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. Until next time, keep creating with AI.